Welcome back. Now what we would want to do is we would want to have a certain range of cells that we allowed individuals to change. And so to do that, what we would do is we would go to this area and we would unprotect the sheet. Then we would click this button that says Allow Edit Ranges. What we're then going to do is we're going to click New, and then we're going to give this new range a name. And when we do that, we're going to put our cursor where it says Refer to Cells. We're going to bring the highlighter over the entire selection, and then we're going to select the cells that are going to be editable. Now we could give the range a password, but we're not going to do that right now. We're now going to click OK. Once we do that, then our dialog box will come back to us. We'll then click Apply, and then we'll click Protect Sheet. We'll then continue to protect the sheet in the same way and click OK. And then we'll click the Share button and share with the individuals that will be making changes. And once that individual has the document, they'll need to click this link that says Edit in Excel. That individual then will be able then to write in their loan amount. They'll be able to write in whatever they want, and yet they will not be able to then change the formulas, as you can see. And that is what you want. You want the individual to be able to enter the values, but you don't want them to be able to change the formula so that it will work for them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.